Hello everyone, Lisa here. Look, we are outside. Look how pretty and green everything is. I am outside enjoying my 3-day weekend. Look, there's my little studio. And usually that's where I am when I shoot my videos. I'm on the inside, but look how cute that is. So I just wanted to let you know that I am having a Memorial Day sale in my Etsy shop. So look at all of these mug rugs that we have made together. How exciting is that? This is like my little portfolio. So yes, I am having a Memorial Day sale in my Etsy shop through Monday, and I'm offering 25% off of my patterns, and I think there's a couple journals left there. And so if you've been interested in any of my patterns or digital kits, they are on sale through Memorial Day. So I hope you all enjoy your holiday weekend, and we will see you next week.